Okay, so Ford 801, it runs for about 5 or 10 minutes and then it stalls out, okay? A lot of people point at the carburetor, the gas, the governor, that's a big one. But anyways, this is what I believe it is solved my problem, okay? I put a new coil on there, a new coil, and this is the no external resistor required coil, okay? But anyways, get down to the bottom line. Took a screwdriver and I put it on here, and the spark was really weak. But so I know I had a good electrical connection. But check out these points, okay? Where am I at? Right here. These points. See the points right there? The insulator there, a little cracked, okay? The really big one that could cause the problem would be this condenser right here. It could be heating up, and the condenser is just a capacitor, okay? It could be heating up and then shorting out, but usually if they short out, they'll bulge out in the back, and this hasn't bulged out back there, so I don't think it could have been that though. And when you replace it, you're gonna want to use the old mounting bracket, because this new one here doesn't work very good. Could be your rotor, or the main thing could be your distributor cap. The distributor cap could have a micro crack in it that doesn't show up until it starts running, and as it heats up, you know, the crack will develop and it'll short out the whole spark to ground, okay? This is running. It ran for about a good 5 or 10 minutes. I'm gonna start it up, keep it running, go out in the field, do some work, and if I post this video, I'm gonna change my lug nuts also on that brake problem I had. But if I post this video, what solved my tractor stalls after running, I'll post it, and to give you that, because that's what fixed my problem, okay? It could have either been a fracture in the distributor cap. I didn't replace the wires, even though the kit came with some wires, came with new wires. I didn't need to change them out. And but I'll post this video if it fixed this problem. Tractor stalls after running for about 5 minutes. And the kit that I got is this one right here. Ford 4-cylinder tractors, 65 and on. And down here, let me see. Okay, down here fits Jubilee, NAA 600, 700, 800, 900, 601, 701, 801, 901, 2000, and 4000 tractors, okay? So if I post this video, this is what fixed my problem. I'm sorry I don't have an editor. All I use is this phone. But there's a lot of people online that have problems with their tractors stalling out. So share this video for anyone that has a Ford tractor, because I'm sure the 8Ns probably has the same problem. But it's basically worn out parts, okay? Could have been any one of these 4 things: distributor cap, condenser, points, or the rotor, okay? Hope this all helps y'all out. I didn't even change my spark. I didn't need to change my spark plugs either. Probably try to change them later on. But okay, hope this helps you out. See y'all later.